In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness on this Samsung. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down just a bit and tap on display section. After that, click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness feature. And as you can see now, auto brightness is on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on the same no blue switcher. If you wish to, you can always go into tab menu instead and manage auto brightness by tapping on those three dots on brightness slider, clicking on this switcher and choosing done to save your changes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!